Every stitch begins long before fabric meets needle.
Inside these walls, precision engineering shapes the tools of craftsmanship. It begins with strength, cast iron built for stability. Mass meets accuracy in the next stage. Where metal is shaped within fractions of a millimeter. Every cavity must align perfectly. Smoothness ensures mechanical harmony.
Precision is verified, never assumed.
Preparation readies the body for durability. Protection meets aesthetics. The body is ready. Now the mechanics begin. Heat locks strength into every surface. Before assembly begins, every part must be verified.
Even the smallest imperfection can affect performance.
Tolerance defines reliability.
Smooth rotation begins with flawless geometry.
Alignment ensures perfect stitch formation. Controlled tension drives consistent motion. Power is verified before integration.
Order prevents future failure.
Each kit represents a complete mechanical system. Traceability guarantees accountability.
Now the machine begins to take shape.
Friction is minimized before motion begins. Now mechanics meet electricity. Harmony in motion confirms readiness. Manual control mirrors internal harmony. Pressure must remain constant across every stitch. Controlled movement ensures steady fabric feed. Milliseconds determine perfection. Timing between hook and needle defines stitch quality. Rotational energy transforms into precision stitching motion.
Perfect meshing ensures silent efficiency.
Transcription. The main shaft becomes the backbone of motion.
Assembly begins with structure and alignment.
Now the machine receives its finished form. Clean organization protects long-term durability. Safety is verified before closure. control ensures consistent stitch speed.
The first pulse of life flows through the system.
Human control meets electrical precision.
Clean connections guarantee uninterrupted flow.
Digital control refines mechanical strength. Order inside prevents failure outside. Energy transfers through precise tension.
Stability ensures vibration-free performance.
Power now enters the machine's mechanical core. Now performance meets material.
A precise path ensures a flawless stitch.
Two threads prepare to interlock. The first stitch defines the machine's character.
Balance between threads prevents flaws.
Power must remain consistent under pressure.
Versatility is built into modern design. Complex patterns demand perfect timing. Stability ensures longevity. Consistency over time defines reliability. Approved to carry craftsmanship forward.
Perfection extends beyond performance.
A flawless finish reflects precision within.
Identity is stamped with pride.
Every machine carries a traceable identity.
Precision marked in permanent code. Alignment defines craftsmanship. The essentials accompany every machine. Protection ensures safe delivery.
Form meets function once more.
Ready for its journey. Sealed with precision and care.
Now, the machine shows its purpose. Precision that speaks without words. Creativity powered by engineering. From production to personal ownership.
Every detail matters before departure. From steel and wire to global markets.
Presentation reflects craftsmanship.